Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Tesla charging app readings in Tesla app, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Tesla app on your mobile device. Log in using your Tesla account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the charging section of the app. Select your vehicle from the list if you have multiple Teslas. Check the current charging status displayed on the screen. Locate the charging icon for detailed information. Observe the charging rate specified in kilowatts. Next, compare this reading with the charge points display. If using a supercharger, confirm the kilowatts per hour on the station. If there's a discrepancy, note both readings. Now, exit the Tesla app. Open your vehicle's touchscreen display. Tap on the charging icon on the screen. Review the charging rate shown on the display. Compare this value with the readings from the app and charge point. If readings are consistent, your verification is complete. If there's still a difference, restart both the app and vehicle display. Reconnect to the charging station if necessary. Allow a few moments for the app to refresh the data. Recheck the readings in the Tesla app once more. If inconsistencies persist, consider reaching out to Tesla support. Document your findings for future reference. This process ensures accurate tracking of your Tesla's charging performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.